Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can how you can fish the golden pearl on Roslet Bay. So you're just going to go to this area. There's like an island here, and there's like this small secluded area. You can find it using your GPS, but so I am going to use the no life rod. And then I'm going to have the bait seaweed. I think I use seaweed for it. So just equip your seaweed. And then you're just going to start fishing. Also, it's helpful if you have the smoke screen totem. You're just going to use that. And then you're just going to start fishing with the rod. So it is a little bit difficult, not really, but you're just going to start fishing here. It is super rare, by the way, so don't expect to fish it straight away. But you're just going to fish in this area using the no life rod. You'll get it for free once you've reached the 500th level, I think. Once you reach level 500, that's what I meant. And then you'll be able to get the pearl, like I did. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.